car battery clicking while charging. When your car battery is clicking while charging, it could be due to several reasons. Reason number 1. Low voltage. If the battery voltage is too low, the charger may click on and off as it attempts to charge the battery. This could be caused by a discharged battery or poor connections. Reason number 2. Faulty connections. Loose or corroded connections between the battery terminals and the charger can cause intermittent charging, resulting in clicking sounds. Reason number 3. Overheating. Overheating of the battery or the charger itself can cause clicking sounds, as the charger's safety mechanisms kick in to prevent damage. Reason number 4. Defective charger. A faulty or incompatible charger may not be providing the correct voltage or current to the battery, leading to clicking sounds as it repeatedly tries to charge. Reason number 5. Battery issues. A damaged or worn-out battery may not hold a charge properly, causing the charger to cycle on and off as it attempts to charge it. To troubleshoot and resolve the issue, check connections. Ensure that the connections between the battery terminals and the charger are tight and free from corrosion. Clean any corrosion using a battery terminal cleaner. Inspect the charger. Make sure the charger is compatible with your battery and is functioning correctly. If possible, try using a different charger to see if the clicking persists. Check battery health. Test the battery's voltage using a multimeter to ensure it is within the recommended range. If the battery is old or damaged, consider replacing it. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on the temperature of both the battery and the charger while charging. If either becomes excessively hot, stop charging immediately and allow them to cool down. Seek professional help. If the clicking persists despite troubleshooting, it may indicate a more serious issue with either the battery or the charging system. In such cases, it's best to consult a professional mechanic or technician for further diagnosis and repair. Battery sulfation. Sulfation occurs when lead sulfate crystals build upon the battery plates, hindering its ability to hold a charge. This can cause clicking sounds as the charger struggles to overcome the sulfation. Consider using a desulfator or battery reconditioning charger to address this issue. Charger malfunction. Sometimes the clicking sound might originate from a malfunctioning component within the charger itself. In such cases, repairing or replacing the charger may be necessary to resolve the issue. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and address the underlying cause of the clicking sound while charging your car battery.